Hello everyone, John Donnelly's here from Your Holistic Academy. A very special guest today, Johann Callaghan. How are you doing today, Johann?
Amazing. I slept well last night.
Brilliant. So I'm really delighted to have you on today because we've got something really special to offer, and it's coming up on Monday, and it's your collaboration with Caroline McDonough on sleep and nutrition. So
Yes.
for those who how to feed your body, nutrition and sleep for the brain and body to optimize energy, performance, and well-being. So for those people out there suffering from stress or trouble sleeping or weight management problems or performance, concentration problems, all that sort of stuff, I mean, there's a lot of stuff happening out there. So you and Caroline have come together to put together a brilliant masterclass, yeah?
Absolutely, of course. Yeah, because you know something, John, there's so many people are struggling at the moment. Just, you know, there's always life challenges, you know, and with life challenges, then we stop eating properly and we stop sleeping properly, and we don't go out and exercise then because we've no energy. And exercise, even walk and movement. I hate the word exercise, movement. It's so important. And look, the way it is, everything is better in your life when you have better sleep, because sleep affects all areas of your life. And nutrition, we need the food, we need the ingredients, if you like. It's like baking a cake. You need to have the right ingredients to sleep optimally as well. And it's just, I'm so excited, John, as you can tell, because you know, to be able to work with Caroline on this, and Caroline is just phenomenal, the information and knowledge that Caroline has and her expertise. So to have this opportunity to work with an expert in nutrition and alongside sleep, the two of them married together, oh my God. And like what I'm just so excited with, you know, we're going to be looking at all the different areas, weight management. So many people are trying to lose weight now. And boosting the immune system, especially this time, because keeping our immune system is ultimate. That's ultimately very, very important. And then, you know, the brain gut connection and the stress management as well, because stress can interfere with everything. So that's what we're going to be covering in a nutshell.
Brilliant, John. Brilliant. And listen, this is coming up on Monday, and for an incredible value of only $297. And for members of Your Holistic Academy, if you're a member of Your Holistic Academy, an even more incredible value of only $157 for a 6-week masterclass with 2 experts with a combined 40+ years of experience in sleep and nutrition. Wow, that's an amazing offer, Joanne. Thank you so much. So tell us a little bit quickly about what people can really expect and what sort of results people can expect. Yeah?
Oh my God, you know, have you ever woken up first thing in the morning and you're just absolutely exhausted and you need to have your cup of coffee to get yourself going, and you know the rest of your day just unfolds that same way. But if you can imagine, if you can bounce out of bed full of energy, you have the power to create your day, and you have the energy, and nothing is you know, we were dealing with an awful lot of adversity now at the moment and all the rest, and just look, nothing is so much of a problem when you have a good night's sleep. So what people can expect out of this course is, you know, you can manage your weight so much better. You can actually lose weight while you're sleeping at night, believe it or not. We go through all of that through science, right? Wow. So you can get that out of this course. You can get a stronger immune system and better brain health, better memory, better performance. And look, when you slow down and relax, and that's what's the problem, John, we have lost the ability to relax. And if we can relax, then we can transition into sleep a whole lot better. So that's what you will get on this program. I've had many clients, I've given them one simple tip. It could be taking magnesium. It could be just waking up at the same time every day, and it's different for everybody. And I've had some phenomenal results from people just with some of those simple tips. So it could be something simple, but but it's
brilliant, John. And like we're into the 15th of January already. So for all those people out there who've already given up on their New Year's resolutions, this is a fresh chance, fresh start. We'll
hold you accountable.
With two experts. So guys, we're going to put all the details, and this is brought to you with Your Holistic Academy and with 2 brilliant experts as members, Joanne and Caroline, and we could put all the details for you guys in the comments with this video. So Joanne, thank you so much for coming on today. I'm really, really excited for this course starting on Monday. Yeah.
Thank you, John. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.